Hello, today let's make this delicious wet fried pork together with plantain. Also, we might need some cabbages. So first is we are going to slash our well-washed pork. As you can see, this pork is so much fatty. There's a lot of fat in there. So I'll just chop them into small slices of a desirable size you would like. So after chopping them, I'll just add them into a dry saucepan and heat the saucepan. I'll then add some salt. After adding salt, I'll just mix it real quick and then cover it and let it cook. While it cooks, you can turn it around. There is no water or nothing because we expect to extract some oil from the pork fat. So while it's cooking, let's peel our plantain or matoke. Peel desirable amount of plantain. For Ugandans, we really love this matoke. It's something that we almost eat every single day, so we love it so much. Once I'm done, I'll just wash it and pour away the water. And after, I'll slice them into halves or a desirable size. So I'll turn around to make sure that all of it is sliced into halves, and then I'll add some salt, mix it, and then leave it there. So let me go back to our pork. You can see that it's still starting to extract the oil, so we shall just keep turning it. It has to cook for a while, maybe approximately 40 plus minutes. So I'll cover it back and let it cook. So while it's still cooking, again, I'll cut my onions into large pieces, and then I'll also cut my tomatoes. If you have green pepper, you can add green pepper and carrots as well, as you wish. So this is our tomatoes and onions and our plantain. And then after that, we are going to mix our pork. We make sure that it cooks until it is golden brown. As you can see now, it's all golden brown, and you can see there is a lot of oil. So at this point, we are going to drain some oil because this is too much oil. Look at that. So I'll just drain some oil and put it aside. We shall use this for later. After draining the desirable amount, you can see that's the much oil we removed. So now I can add my onions. Also add the tomatoes and mix it properly. Cover it and let it cook. While on the other hand, we shall have our cabbage ready. Remember, Ugandan markets these days, we just buy already chopped cabbages. It's your choice. So if you don't have already chopped cabbages, you can start chopping your cabbage at this time. So now after that, I'll just mix my pork and then slowly add the cabbage. This cabbage also will help you increase the amount of the sauce, especially if there are many people are going to eat it and maybe it's so little. and we shall mix it here properly. Cover it and let it cook for a couple of minutes, and then we can add some spices, black pepper, cumin, add some curry, and then lastly Royco. After that, let's mix it and just let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. At this point, you can choose to add a little amount of water if you wish. So now our pork is ready. It is ready. Look at this, guys. It's so yummy. It's so yummy. It's so yummy. Now after that, we shall add our pan, heat it, and then our extracted oil from the pork. We are going to use it to fry our plantain. So add the plantain there and make sure the heat is low. Let it fry and then turn it over. Turn to the other sides until they are yellowish. And once they turn yellowish, they are ready, you can serve them. So I'll put the second round and repeat the same process until it's ready, and there we can serve it. Look at that, guys. That is our final product. Please try this recipe out. Let me know how it comes out and let me know how it will taste. And this is our final pork plantain with cabbage mixed together. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Bye.